Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the vlog. I hope you're all doing well. As you can see, I'm heading to the hospital. I'm ready. I had a very long week, but alhamdulillah, it was a good week, not in a bad way. And I'm heading into a very long week because it is finals. The other day, I was just crying. It was 2 days ago that we just finished the midterms and right now we are preparing for the finals. How is time running this fast? Subhanallah. I didn't even have time to catch a break. And right now I'm in my exam mode. I am zoned in and I'm locked in for like I have 2 weeks, and so I need to put all my effort. So I just came today to open a new vlog and to say hi guys. And I was happy because my bad. It's okay. This is what we do. We are normal human beings, okay? Don't judge me. It's okay even if you judge me, there's no problem. Anyways, I should stop being dramatic. I'm so happy. I was watching as I was getting ready, taking my breakfast and dressing up. I was watching one of the shows I usually watch. It's a Turkish show. It's called Kalpsia. Oh my god! If you're not watching Kalpsia, I don't know. For me, hoşuma gidiyorum. I'm in for it. I love it. And there was this part that the guy he was telling us his story, and I was like, oh yeah, even me, they did this to my mom and all of that. And kalbim kırıldı ya. Ne yapacağım? Kalbim kırıldı. O kadar beklemedim ben. O kadar söyleyecek beklemedim ya. Ama kalbim kırıldı. Ama hoşuma gidiyor bir anda. Yeah, that is my two Turkish words telling you guys I speak Turkish. Anyways, I'm just kidding. Yeah, so I'm heading to the hospital and look at this glow. I've only applied the moisturizer. It is this. My sun cream. This is my current one. I love it. Both are from Haru Haru. It's amazing. And then my toner from Numbazin. And that is how my skin is glowing. Alhamdulillah. Even though I slept late yesterday and I woke up late for Salatul Fajr. Yeah, that was sad. That is the reason why I don't love to, what is it called, sleep late. If I sleep late, I'm gonna miss my Fajr prayer, and which is not accepted in this household. Anyways, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. If you're doing your exams, I'm wishing you all the best. And may Allah grant you the success. And please pray for me. Yeah? Bye. Let me see my life. I'm in Istanbul. The Christmas market. I don't know, they call it Winter Wonderland. Ah, okay. What this market has. It's the center. But it's overrated. A little bit. But it's crowded. I didn't think it wasn't this crowded at all. It is so crowded. And that's it. I'm done. Within 15 minutes, I've gone through the whole area. I didn't buy anything. The only thing that I found this perfume brand. The perfume actually smells nice. It's made of, what is it called? It's made in Turkey. It's called this. This is the name. The Bafrag. But this is smelling nice. But like, do I need to spend 2,000 in here right now? No, I don't need to. It is so cold. Overrated. There's not much things to do. There's a lot of people. But the vibe is vibing. I love it. وحظ البوحي كل جيان سانتا. Oh, so this is basketball. Let's try this. I hope it tastes better. Should I put this way or this way? So it's fine. Ooh, the color itself is amazing. This is it. This is the classic one. Taste test. Why are you not cutting, bro? I think I haven't eaten from Cinnabon for like 2 years. So I even forgot how the taste is. Yeah, no. It's a normal class. Nothing much. This one is the caramel pecan. Let's taste. Bismillah. I don't know why it's too small. It never used to be this small. The economy, oh my god. Yeah, the caramel. My heart is happy. Hey guys, how are you doing? Cook with me. I'm going to make pasta. This is my ingredient. I have my water boiling. This is turmeric, and then I have chicken cube, I have carrots, I have cilantro, onion, garlic, and then I have mozzarella, and then I have this cream. I don't have chicken and I don't have potatoes, so I'm going to use what I have. That is going to work out because I'm a good cook and I'm watching my usual Chinese shows. Yeah, so cook with me.
哎呦，骂得好啊！我就觉得你骂人的时候特别有魄力。哦。同学，你知不知道“哦”是一种冷暴力？你怎么舍得这么对我？
I have added my spices, I've added cheese and the crema. So I'm gonna let it cool a little bit, and then I'm gonna add my pasta. Since there's no chicken and there's no potatoes, this is how it's going to be. If you're wondering the spices, it's cumin, chicken bouillon, bay leaf, garlic, and parsley or cilantro, whatever you call it. Yeah, and that's it. So I'm gonna let it cook this for some 2 to 3 minutes, and then I'm gonna add my pasta. I have decided to pray Isha because the adhan is there. So while my pasta is cooking, I am praying my Isha because I have wudu, and I love to pray my Isha on time. Otherwise, I'm gonna get lazy, and I was studying before I went to the kitchen. So since I have wudu and the adhan just went off right now, I was like, let me pray my Isha before I get busy in the kitchen, and then later on I'll come and finish my studying. Yeah, so let me pray Isha, and then as my pasta cooks, and then I will eat and do my thing later on. share. So let me go back to my pasta. Let me go back to my pasta. I'm so energetic because I didn't go to uni today because the class was cancelled. Yeah, that's why I'm not tired. And that's why I'm vlogging my night. Otherwise, if I was from uni and then I had to come home, cook, I couldn't have not had the energy to laugh or to, what is it called, record. So yeah, that is hence the energy I have. It is my last placement, and so I'm getting ready. I'm gonna take you guys. I'm going to vlog today. Hopefully the hospital, it's not going to be that crowded and I will get chance to, you know, vlog. Yes, today is my last day of placement. How am I feeling? I'm feeling okay, but I'm stressed because it is exam season. So, but I'm excited and I love the people who I work with, or like the people who train me, my seniors. I love them. And yeah, so today I'm gonna take you with me to my hospital. I'm already ready. As you can see, I'm just finishing off my skincare and then out of the door. It has been busy. So busy and exhausted. That is nice. I'm exhausted. Chocolate gonna choke.